Oh, my beautiful queen.
How are you?
Welcome home.
I'm happy to be home.
Thank you
very much.
There's a lot of gist. I'll gist you everything.
Really?
Yes, the one.
So how are you?
Very fine.
Let her rest. Veru, let her rest first.
Don't you know very again in her usual way?
The game just got started.
And we shall see who loses.
We are going to lose.
Really?
Yes.
Wait for it.
You don't lose, of course.
Go to your position, common driver.
Welcome home.
Oh, okay. My brother suits me. I'm very happy that you're back. Welcome, my queen. Welcome. Thank you. Let me go and get you a new delicious.
Vero, it is delicacy.
One of them is Deli, my queen.
Do not stop.
Hi. I thought by now you should have changed.
Okay.
Assistant. Come. Come on, drink the queen. Yeah, shy.
Which?
Shine.
Why don't you?
Are you shy?
Your assistant.
She's the new cleaner come chef.
Shyest.
Go and prepare the room like I said.
Oh, yes, Your Majesty. Not worry. I'll tell you the entire story from A to Z.
Go and prepare the room now.
Oh, yes, sir. I go now. Shyer.
My name is Nana.
Are you from this town?
No, from the neighboring town.
My queen, why don't you just go upstairs, freshen up and have a rest? Like, you can't ask all this later.
I'm very hungry. I want her to go get me something to eat. Since she's a new cook. Auntie, she's a cook, right?
Yes, then she'll do that. Let's go upstairs so she'll do that. Let's go, come on. You've had a hard day traveling all the way. So you can go. Well, it was a long trip.
How could you? How could you introduce me to her as your cleaner? This is the height of wickedness. I am carrying your child, for goodness sake. Accord me a little respect.
Nana, bring your voice down. You're raising your voice.
Allow me to raise my voice. I am raising my voice because I am angry. I came here with favor and I deserve to be respected.
Listen to me, Nana. You don't have to make things more difficult than they are for me. I already told you I have a plan on how to fix this. Allow me handle this. Allow me.
I missed you.
I missed you. But you lost some weight.
The king has promoted me to the kitchen 2 times this month.
How about the girl, the assistant? Is she not helping you in the kitchen?
Assistant? She's not my assistant though. She's the assistant in the other room.
What?
Yes. We don't sleep at night. She'll be shouting. We don't sleep at night though, my queen.
Vero, go back to your duty.
There's one more piece I've not said, Your Majesty. One more.
I say go back to your duty post. What is wrong with you?
Sorry, Your Majesty. Which duty post should I go back to? Are you adding on that duty to my duty post?
Go back to your duty post.
Okay, my duty post. Okay, Your Majesty. I give you that later.
Go back to your duty post.
Yes, my king. Is that other room?
Get out! My dear, welcome. How was your trip?
Very well.
Great.
How about the girl I sent to make me something to eat? And she disappeared.
I sent her on an errand, but she'll soon be back.
I see.
Like I was saying, so how was your journey? I'm sure you have a lot of things to tell me about London.
My journey went well.
Great. You look tired. Very, very.
Sure I am.
You don't want to rest. You still want us to go and see your sister.
Because I've missed them.
Because of the things you brought from London. It's okay, let's go. We'll come and rest. Okay?
I don't mind though.
Lebechi, put those things she brought from London in the boot. My London queen. As beautiful as ever.
Yes, so.
I never see this type of girl before. I never see this kind girl before. Veronica, not talkative.
Nora,
Veronica.
my sister-in-law gave me the treat of my life in London.
Wow, I'm so happy you enjoyed it because you deserve it.
Thank you. Thank you very much. And you know what? When I was dancing in her birthday party, digging it out, all of a sudden I felt this sharp pain in my abdomen. They had to rush me to the hospital, and the doctor confirmed I am 2 weeks pregnant.
What?
Yes.
Wow! God, I'm so happy for you.
Thank you very much.
Your husband must be the happiest man on earth right now.
I've not told him yet.
Why not?
I am keeping it as a surprise. Let it be my gift for him on my birthday.
I see. That's nice. Thank God. At least your fate has won this happiness for you.
Yes, I can say that. God, I thank you.
I'm happy for you, my friend.
My God is awesome.
Yeah, he
I'm
is.
taking you out for a drink. Let us celebrate this good news.
Okay, I am ready. But just give me a minute. Let me change to something
I'll wait for you.
beautiful. I'm coming. God, I'm so happy for you.
Thank you very much, Nora, my friend. Easy.
What silliness. What impetus. Do you know who the girl is?
Yes, I do. I saw her in my house when I came back yesterday. My husband introduced her as cleaner, cook.
You mean that girl is a cleaner in your house?
Exactly.
Chill. Oh my God. That was what your husband said to you?
Yes. And she was behaving as if she owns the house. Look at the way she passed without even saying a word of hello. As if she doesn't know me or has not seen me before.
I'm short of words. You know what? Let's go.
What impetus?
A cleaner in your house. How?
Talkative. Veronica, why you like it troubling person? This your character, it tie everybody. This your wall, na headache you. Every day to love, every night for road to love, for house for market to love, everywhere. Very sure say you fit to do this work. Very sure say you sabi this work. Very say she be professional. Any kind of work she go do am.
Nora, what do you have to say about the girl in my house?
Firstly, I want to say sorry. I want to apologize to you for my attitude.
Nora, I am not angry at you that you didn't call me while I was in London. I am back now. keep that aside and discuss the issue at hand. I'm skeptical about the girl in my house. If I were you, I would send her away. She might entice your husband. Nora, thank goodness you're not me. My husband isn't easily enticed by women. He does not have time for other women. Really? Yes. So can we have our drinks in peace? Of course. Cheers. I'm back now. You're welcome. I missed you. Can't say that again. No, you didn't call me. I'm sorry. It's okay. So how are you?
My dear friend, thank you so much. I enjoyed every bit of this outing.
You're welcome. And we shall do it over and over again.
Of course. Alright, bye-bye. My regards to the king. Alright, take care.
Shebi, shebi, you say you love me, you love me, you love me. Show it when I'm present, absent, my dear. Shebi, shebi, you say you love me, you love me, you love me. Show it when I'm present, 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 present.
So I am about to lose this battle, just like that.
When I'm present, present. When I'm outside, absent.
Lord, I should have told Dikeh that I'm pregnant. Oh, damn it. I have to do something. I have to do something very fast. I can't have an illegitimate child. Never. I can't. I just have to do something very, very fast.
Shebi, shebi, you say you love me, you love me, you love me. Show it when I'm present, absent, my dear. Shebi, shebi, you say you love me, you love me, you love me. Show it when I'm present, 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 present. When I'm present, present. When I'm outside, absent.
Nora, what is it? You don't tell me when to see me. I tell you when I want to see you.
Now listen, if you do not do as I said, I will let your wife know about the pregnancy. Do you understand?
What pregnancy are you talking about? No, what pregnancy are you talking about? Well,
Your Majesty, who is pregnant?
you're back. I didn't see you enter.
Who is pregnant?
Oh. Nze told me that his brother's daughter, who is getting married next year, got pregnant for another man.
What?
Oh, children of nowadays, wonders shall never cease. They just distribute pregnancy like venom.
That's strange.
Strange.
Anyway, I'm upstairs. See you later.
All right. Welcome. Pepper soup.
When I'm present, present. When I'm outside.
So, what were you saying on the phone?
That is the pregnancy test result.
How did this happen?
What do you mean, how did it happen?
How come you haven't told me this all this while?
I tell you when I want.
Listen, Laura. I'll take you to any country of your choice so you can have the baby there.
I see. So I am now a trash. A trash you can dispose at any time you want, just like that.
What do you want, Laura?
I am not so ugly to be your wife.
So, what will your friends say? Yes?
Let me worry about that. Yes.
Your Highness, the last time I saw you in this kind of mood was when your brother was sent to jail. What is the problem?
I've gotten myself into a very big problem. Very big one.
Your Highness, can you sit down? Let me know about the problem.
My concubines are pregnant at the same time.
Ah! No!
Yes!
Is your wife aware of this?
How can I get myself to tell her such a thing? I can't.
What do we do now?
Honestly, I don't know. But one thing I know is that I cannot take in 2 women at the same time. I wanted to send one abroad, but she refused.
Your Highness, how could you have landed yourself in this kind of mess?
See, this is not time to apportion blame. We were looking for a solution.
Your Highness, you know, it is an abomination for you to allow another man to raise your child.
I think one of us has to die, and that is Lolo. I can't be put to shame. I will kill her and bear the consequences.
Present. When I'm not absent.
Please take this into your room. This is a steam room.
I don't like it when people shout at me. I am not here to be shouted at.
Oh, please take this into your room.
My queen, do you want me to bundle her out?
Yes, take this clothes to the room.
Where are you taking my clothes?
Bundle yourself to the room.
Let me have my clothes.
Leave here. Leave here. No one to do to who?
Your Highness! Your Highness, please! Your Highness! Your Highness! Your Highness! Your Highness! No!
Where did you say you brought that girl from? I am talking to you. Are you alright? What's the problem?
Give me back my crown! Give me back my crown! Give me back my crown! Give me back my crown!
What is the problem?
Tell her to give me back my crown. She has my crown.
Can't you see the crown doesn't fit you?
What?
Let me have it. Can't you see it fits her more?
Will you get out? Get out of my room! Now!
Really? Just like that?
Get out. I said get out!
This might be a silent piece. Blow off your skull. No one will know. You are very wicked. And you deserve to die.
Please, Tosi, please. Please, just put the gun away, Tosi, please. Tosi, don't you know I'm doing this for us? You should be thinking of how to kill his wife, not me! Yes, think, Dozie, think! The wife, not me, not me.
What did you just say now? What does that mean?
All I'm trying to say is, if she dies, I'll become the queen. We'll kill the king and run away with our child and his money. Think, Dozie. Think.
It was not like a dream. And when I told my husband about it, he said nothing.
That dream is not an ordinary dream. See, I am not comfortable with that girl in that palace. I'm not.
Nora, what do I do?
Send her away. It's as simple as that.
And I've talked to my husband about it. He said she's not going anywhere.
Do you have to tell your husband about everything? Do it your way. You are the queen.
I know what to do. I know what to do.
Tell me, how are you preparing for your birthday party coming up tomorrow?
Not much. Just you, my husband and my servants. I'm good to go.
I can't wait to see the smile on his face when you would tell him about the pregnancy.
Nora, I can't wait to. I'm dying to tell him. You have to pick your call. Pick.
Okay, so week one. Let's talk about our child. How is he kicking?
There's no child. I don't know you and I don't know what you're talking about. You said you want us to go into a tug of war. I'm waiting.
Are you mad? No, for real. Is your brain skipping? Do I look like someone you can play with his psyche? Huh? I bet you don't know what I'm capable of doing, right? You're playing with me. You are playing with me.
I dare you. I dare you to do that which you're capable of doing. Why am I even here? Exchanging words with a common driver. Wait. Just wait. When I become the queen, I will make sure you're sent out of this palace with
Enough!
It's enough!
is it? Nana? What is it? What's going on? Are you okay? Listen, my wife almost picked the call.
And so?
And so?
Yes.
Dozie just left. The king has entered. So it is done by now. Oh, your husband is in the same river.
River? What river?
You have to go see. Find out for yourself.
What are you talking about? What are you doing in there? What are you doing there? I am talking to you.
You want to know what's going on? I am carrying your husband's child.
What?
You heard me.
Odinga, what is she talking about? What is she talking about? Young lady, I don't care where you came from, but I want you out of this palace first thing tomorrow morning.
First thing tomorrow morning, you must leave this palace. Health consultant.
I don't care. I want you out of this place first thing tomorrow morning, idiot.
Good night.
Tell me she was lying.
She's carrying my baby.
What?
Can I talk to you?
Yes, go ahead.
Okay. The pregnancy does not belong to the king.
What are you saying?
Yes. Nana is trying to blackmail the king. But I will advise you keep it to yourself until the truth unfolds, okay? And I'm telling you because you're a good woman. You don't deserve this.
Thank you.
Okay, take my leave, sir.
When did this happen?
Now you know. I want to make her my second wife.
That is not a problem. Good night.
No, what did you say?
That is not a problem.
Sorry, my good friend.
Shebi, you say you love me, you love me, you love me. Show it when I'm present, absent, my dear. Shebi, you say you love me, you love me, you love me. Show it when I'm present, 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 present. When I'm present, when I'm absent.
Wow. And why is everywhere so quiet? Where is the celebrant?
Here comes the queen. 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 Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. I want to do a special one for the queen. Joyous anniversary. Joyous anniversary. Joyous anniversary, my friend. Joyous anniversary. Happy birthday.
Thank you very much, I got this specially for you. Oh, thank you very much. So where do we start from? From the cutting of the cake. Now you are going to cut the cake by the mention of the name Jesus. Right? Thank you very much. Let's go. J E
S U S Jesus.
Wow! I'm so happy. Happy birthday once again.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Thank you. So, no one invited me to this occasion.
You are invited, baby. So
It's okay. I'll forgive you.
What do we have here? We have wine, we have cake, we have yogurt.
Oh, yogurt. I love yogurt. I love
How dare you?
No, let her enjoy herself. Just let her. It's a free day today. Everybody's free to do whatever he or she wants, my darling. And bring some drinks and more food. Plates to share the cake.
So you can get the food out.
Okay. And some place to share the cake as well. Veronica, you'll never stop.
Happy birthday, darling.
Thank you
Happy
very
birthday,
much.
darling.
Thank you very much.
Yes, well done.
Nana, listen. Nana, that was not fair. If you don't like him, come out and tell him to his face, so that he can stop other plans.
Mama, is he a child? Can't he read the handwriting on the wall? I don't like him anymore, period.
Then go and tell him to his face. Eh? So that he can stop making arrangements to come here with his people. Go and tell him. Go and tell him.
I'm fine. Hey.
Dikeh. Hey. Dikeh, oh, bye bye. Hey. Dikeh, your face is not looking fine at all. Tata.
Hello. You see, where are you now? But I want to see you. Yes, I want to see you now, like now. Are you serious? You're coming. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Alright, I'm waiting, okay?
My friend, tell me something I need to hear. Is he coming with his people?
Who?
Dikeh now, also.
Dikeh, please. You're talking of important people and you're talking about dead people.
Hey, Iko. Dead people. See, if not that you're my friend, I would have said that you're very stupid. How can you say a thing like that? So you know you will not marry him and you've been accepting gifts from him. Okay?
Hold it there. Please. Did I beg him? Did I beg him to give me any gift? Eh? Wait, let me tell you. If you don't have anything to say, please, your mouth, just pocket it. Pocket it! Eh? Chono.
Anyways,
yeah.
We cannot quarrel because you're my friend. Is that why you're angry? You know my friend.
So
sorry.
you know before.
You're looking very beautiful.
Oh, thank you.
Hey.
Don't worry, you know what? I have something for you.
Another gift.
Another gift.
Another
my
one.
Another special one.
Come and show me.
Go, baby.
Agarata. So you don't care about keeping this house clean again? Eh?
Mama, please, I'm tired. I am tired, Mama.
You are tired?
Yes, Mama.
Mama the mama.
Oh,
Mama the mama.
Okay, you're welcome.
Good afternoon.
Welcome, my dear.
How is everything now?
Okay, I'm fine.
Hey. Money charm. My love. Hey, my love. My woman.
What's not again?
My love.
Hey, don't touch me. See, Ike. Ike, can't you read the handwriting on the wall? Eh? Can't you see that I have moved to the next level? Ike, listen to me. I will not marry you.
Eh?
Yes.
Mama, did you hear her? You said you will not marry me.
I will not marry you.
My love, what has come over you now? Eh? Have you forgotten everything we shared together? Have you forgotten how we used to play together, the love we shared? Where will you drop all those things? Okay, fine. Hold on. If you knew you are not going to marry me, why didn't you tell me all this? Why? Why?
That is why I'm telling you now, because it's not late. It's not late at all for you to go and look for someone in your class. Yes.
Denise, it's me.
I'm tired, eh?
Eh?
Hey, it's you.
It's me now.
Hey, don't touch me. See, stop. Red lips without money.
Ew. Ike, come. Ike, come. Ike, just calm down. I will talk to her. Ike! Ike! Nana!
Ike, you're a fool. Ike, I said you're a fool. Dikeh. I will never forgive her. Never.
Hey, Ike.
What's it? Listen. Thank God I met you here. Eh? Go and tell that your stupid and nonsense friend. That's your friend that do not have conscience. Go and tell her
Nana.
to return all the gifts, all the presents I give to her. Go and tell her to return it to me back. I want it immediately. Please, go and tell her.
Please, calm down. Oh, please calm down. I am going straight to the house now. And when I get there, I will talk to her.
See, I don't want you to talk to her. Do not beg her on my behalf. Please, don't talk to her. Just tell her that I said that she should get all my gifts back to me when she accepted to marry me. Now that she don't want to marry me again, let her get everything for me because I don't want anybody to hear my voice in this village. Go and tell her to get my gifts back.
Oh, Anugo.
Back!
I've heard you. Puto.
Tell her for me.
Puto, calm down. Oh, hi. Ike, I've never seen you like this. Nana. Nana, you are my friend and my sister. This is not the way to handle this kind of case. Negodu, Odimma, you don't just lay him off like that. He's been good to you.
My sister, let me ask you a question. If you're the one that has a handsome man, a guy like Dozie, will you marry a wretched man like Ike?
I don't know. I've never been in love with a handsome man before. Even me, I don't know. I don't even know what to say. I don't know.
Good. So please, Mechion, close your mouth. Close your mouth. Oh, yes.
I should close my mouth.
Close it. Hey, good girl. Close.
Ike is good though. Ike is a good man. You shh. You leave me alone. Nana, leave me alone. I'm telling you.
Don't worry. I'll look for Dozie's friend for you.
Hey. Now, please, please, Pico, just forgive her. Forgive her. Just move on. God will bring someone to you. Somebody better. It's okay.
Do you know I've been so stupid? I've been so useless.
Hi.
I don't even know what is wrong with me. Can you imagine I sold my father's motorcycle? Yes, I sold my father's motorcycle just to make sure that girl looks good and beautiful.
Hi!
I sold... Oh God.
You're very stupid though.
I sold my father's motorcycle just to buy clothes for her. Take a very good at me. Take a very good look at me. Look at where love has landed me into.
Hi. Nah, indeed you are very stupid. I'm not coming here, but sorry. It's love. So sorry.
I'm so stupid. I'm so stupid.
It's very, very.
Hey.
Hi.
Nana.
Hi.
My love.
Hey, Ikenna, I am angry. I am very, very angry with myself.
Okay, why?
Just look at me now, fine girl like me. I don't even have kobo, shishi to take care of myself. Just look at me now.
My love, is that why you're angry?
Yes, now. That's why I'm angry.
Please, brighten up now, brighten up. You know I love you so much. Please now, brighten up for me. I have a plan. A very huge plan. Yes, you know what? I'm thinking of getting some money for you.
Really?
Yes, now.
Are you serious?
Huge amount of money, not just more money. Huge amount of money.
Hey! Ike Baba Mo!
I knew it. You know when you called me, I know that something must be fishy.
Yes.
This is festive period. My girl has to look good and
very
beautiful.
Good, very good.
See
now.
You will change this your top.
See now, Takarami.
Okay, you know what? Just go. Towards evening. Come back here, this same spot. I will give you the money.
Are you serious?
I will give you the money now.
You will give me the money?
I said I love you so
Look
much.
good.
I will give you the money. By 6, come here. By 6 p.m. Love. Hey, hello.
You will give me the money.
I will give you the money. My love.
Hey, you brought the money.
Yes, I brought the money for you. I told you now. I am talking Adu.
I know. Thank you very much. You see here, Obim, seriously, I will never forget you in this life.
Me, I will never forget you in my life too.
Hey, Obim, you brought the money.
I told you now.
Seriously, I will never forget you in this life.
Me, I will never forget you in this life too.
No.
Even in my next life, I will still remember you.
Obim,
for you. Kiss me.
I should kiss you. Kiss me.
Okay. Let me into my pocket. Wait, no, wait. Could this be true? Huh? I sold my father's motorcycle just to make Nana happy. Hey! Ike, you must be a foolish man. No, in fact, you're very stupid. Hey! And I gave her all the money. I don't even have pocket money left. Hey! Was I blind? No. This is love. This is real love. This is what real men do to their women. Sell your property, make your woman happy. Doesn't matter. After all, Titanic, in that movie, the guy died for the lady. I have not died yet now. I'm still alive, so I'll make more money. I'm a proud boy.
Who's after him? Ikenna, wait! Ikenna! What is it now? What's after you?
Nothing.
What do you mean nothing and you're running?
Olympics now, 2020.
Nothing and you're running.
Ikechukwu, I will kill you today.
Ikenna!
Mercy, please. Mercy, you have to help me. My father wants to kill me.
Why would your father want to kill you? Why?
Mercy, because of just small temptation, no? It's just small temptation.
What temptation? What temptation?
Okay, the thing is that I don't even know how to say it.
Say it the way it is. Exactly the way it is. Say it.
I should say it the way it is. The thing is that Mazi, please. I want you to help me beg my father for me. Mazi, please.
But
do this.
What will I beg him for? Speak up now.
Mazi, please help me and beg him, please. Mazi, you can help me.
I say, what will I beg him for? Speak up.
Okay, Mazi. Hey, how will I say this thing now? How will I say it now? I don't know how to say it, Mazi.
Well, if you don't have anything to say, let me be going.
Ikenna, something is really bothering you. Why don't you want to share it with me now?
My love, nothing is bothering me. I'll be fine.
You'll be fine.
Just that, I'll be fine.
And you're uncomfortable. You're telling me you'll be fine.
I'll be fine.
Ikenna, I don't just want to get angry with you. I don't want to get angry. See how you're making me to run this hot afternoon.
Olympics now, Olympics 2020.
Which Olympics? Why am I even here talking to you? I'm going home.
I'll be fine now.
You'll be fine.
Hey! Obiago! Obia!
How could you? You sold your father's only means of income. What did you use the money for?
Nai, please, can you just forget what I used the money for and help me beg my father? He won't allow me to enter the house. I'm outside since morning like this now.
You know your father too well. He hardly forgives.
Hey.
He said you will have to return that motorcycle before he forgives you or before he allows you inside his house. If not,
Mas, what will I do now? Can you borrow me a motorcycle? Let me give to him, please. Because... Hey!
You did? Hey. What do we do now?
There's a big problem. It's a big problem for me now. But not to worry, I believe myself. I will work hard and raise that money. Yes, I'm a man. I will work hard and raise that money. My love, you know I love you so much. Can I spend the night here with you?
Huh? You know it's not possible. You know my mother will not let that happen.
I'll talk to your mother now. You know that one I gave you, so my father's motorcycle I sold.
It's not possible.
Hi. You're my final hope, but what will I do now?
I don't know.
Hi, Chineke me. Even if I sleep here, I can manage this place.
Hey, my mother now. Hi.
That was what happened, though. That was exactly what happened. And now she said she wants to leave me and follow another man. She wants to follow another man in this village. Ha! Never.
Ike.
It will never work.
Ike, don't worry. Don't just worry. I will go and talk to her. Although I've been talking to her before, but I will increase the speed.
Well, listen, let me tell you,
I will talk to her.
Talk to whoever that cares to listen, or tell her. But as for Nana, nobody is taking her away from me in this village. If anybody tries that, I will kill her and kill myself.
Hey, no!
I promise.
Ike, don't even try it. I'm a community stupid, but it has not gotten to the level of killing my friend. You are so important to me, oh. Hey, so this is the level of your iberiberism and stupidness in love. Hey, Chimo.
So forgive me, please. Listen, to err is human, to forgive divine. Please.
And you cheated on me with my friend, my best friend.
Well, that is in the past now. I'm a changed man. Please.
Already, my queen.
Take those bags inside.
You say we're leaving.